Today's weather is sponsored by Expressway Car Wash, Lube, and Deli with 2 locations in Paducah, Kentucky. Good evening, I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. It's October 24th, 2016. Let's take a look at water vapor satellite imagery, and what stands out the most is this storm system off the northwest coast. Look at it just spinning there. Area of low pressure. This is not a hurricane. This is an area of low pressure wrapped up in a big upper level low as well, south of Alaska, off the coast of Oregon, and that is spreading moisture over portions of the northwest U.S. But as we move into our area, you'll notice not a lot in the way of clouds showing up, mostly sunny conditions, just a few high clouds. That will be the general rule for Tuesday as well. Temperatures on Tuesday above normal, again in the upper 60s to middle 70s across the region, and that comes after overnight lows tonight, mostly in the 45 to 50 degree range. Not that bad for October, kind of par for the course. Most of October has delivered above normal temperatures, and that's going to continue into the first solid week of November as well. Matter of fact, first week of November is looking very warm, and I'll show you those maps in just a moment. We do have a cold front to talk about, and let's take a look at that on the NAM model guidance. Now, this takes us into Wednesday afternoon, and this is when the front should move into our area. Stop it here at about 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning, and you see an area low pressure over Iowa, band of showers and storms from Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, back into Illinois, Missouri, and then back in Oklahoma. Some of the models are splitting this, taking it to the north and to the south of us. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Par for the course from the last 3 weeks when we just haven't been able to get these systems to produce much in the way of rainfall. Stop here at about 7 o'clock on Wednesday evening. You see a band of showers and storms from Michigan back into our local area and then northern Arkansas. Now the NAM might be a little over dramatic on just how much rain is going to fall from this. It shows widespread rain. I think more likely will be a broken band of showers and thunderstorms that will push through the area. Rainfall totals are not going to be that much or nearly enough to offset what has been a very dry October. Move through Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Thursday morning you see the area of low pressure moving over the Toronto area. Cold front back here into eastern Kentucky, and our area should be dry as this area of high pressure builds in from the northwest. This might lower temperatures a little bit on Thursday and Thursday night. Again, nothing dramatic. Look at the snow up in parts of Canada, upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire. So it is fall, even though the weather's not acting like it's fall. Cold weather probably going to wait a little bit longer. Second or third week in November, that's what I'm watching for a pattern flip. Let's take a look at rainfall totals from this system again. This is not going to produce much in the way of rainfall. Just move ahead here and we'll get into Wednesday afternoon, and then we'll push it through on Wednesday night. Mount Vernon, not even a quarter of an inch, a tenth of an inch at St. Louis, tenth of an inch at Potosi, maybe a tenth of an inch over northwest Tennessee. Now, the only thing that could change this is if we had a band of storms and actually had some thunderstorms in it. That might produce a little bit heavier rainfall, but the bottom line is all of the guidance is showing very low rainfall totals in our area Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. I think right now I've got it at about 30-40% chance of rain. I might need to increase that a little bit if it is going to be a solid band, then obviously I'll bump those up. But the bottom line is I don't see much that can change with this system that it would produce widespread heavy rainfall. It looks like potentially scattered light rainfall totals, and again, not nearly enough to offset just how dry it is. We do need rain. We're moving into fire season, late October, November. Normally, we start to get more and more wind, and with these dry conditions, we'll start having brush fires, field fires. So we do need moisture, even though I know some of the farmers are still working in the fields. Got to have some balance here. We do need rain and moisture. More dry weather is in the forecast. As I look out ahead, Friday night, a weak system moves through. Maybe an isolated shower. It looks dry right now. That takes us into next week. So the next system, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, that's in the long range. And of course, once you get past a few days, the confidence in the forecast drops. But maybe middle of next week, we'll see another cold front come through the area with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, that takes us into November. So we'll just have to see right now, November starting out warm. But perhaps second and third week, perhaps we'll see a pattern flip, start to experience colder weather, colder cold shots, maybe finally a killing frost, maybe a freeze in there. It's getting to be late for that. So it's about right. We get in here into November, we expect colder nights with frost and some freezes. Let's take a look at the 500 millibar map on the GFS model guidance. Now this goes into the long range. Anytime you see these ridges, that's when we're above normal temperatures. When you see these dips, that's a trough, normally below normal temperatures associated with troughs. Ridges normally deliver above normal temperatures. So we'll move through this week into next week, and you see mostly ridging here above normal temperatures, some type of a trough, perhaps more to our north than over our area. And then we keep moving through October 30th, we'll go to Halloween, November 1st, ridge, you see this isobars or these heights up and over our area, that's a ridge. So odds favor above normal temperatures. Again, another little system moving through the Rockies. Move through the first week of November, and these height anomalies remain higher than normal. Probably the first week of November will deliver above normal temperatures, and then we'll have to wait and see what happens the second week of November. Let's go ahead and load the temperature anomalies. Anywhere you see red, that's above normal temperatures. Anywhere you see blue, that's below normal temperatures. And as we move through this week into next week, mostly red colors over our area. I'll stop here on Friday night, Saturday morning, well above normal temperatures. Look at some of these anomalies, 10, 15 degrees or more above normal in the temperature department. Just amazing the way October has unfolded with these above normal temperatures. Keep moving forward. We'll stop here on Saturday night and Sunday, still above normal temperatures. You do see a little bit of blue here to our north, but not much in our area. So perhaps normal temperatures again to above normal. And the above normal temperatures as we move into the first week of November, here they come building right back in. So on November 1st, look again at these temperature anomalies well above normal. Here's the numbers over here. You get into these pink colors, you're looking at 10, 14, 15 degrees above normal. Well above normal temperatures as we move into the first week of November. I'll just keep moving forward here, and I'll stop on Thursday, November 3rd. Again, look at the eastern United States blanketed in above normal temperatures.